A little bit more about the nature of God. Previously, I have suggested a conclusion that if we will look at the entire creation and notice some elements or traits that present across the creation, we can come to the conclusion that God has feminine and masculine nature, and that God has internal and external nature. And internal nature will manifest itself as the intellect, emotions, and will, which makes God into a person. But now there is another aspect which we need to talk about. This aspect was brought up only by Christianity. When Jesus started talking about God as a God of love. And this is very important, because what is so important about love? You cannot experience love being alone. You need an object. And Bible have lots of references about heart, about human heart first of all, but also about God's heart. And let's describe the heart as a impulse that strives to experience joy through love, through giving love. In other words, it's irrepressible strive to give love and experience joy through that. And that can explain a reason behind the creation. We can say that up to some point in God, this impulse, heart, was growing and growing until the need to express the love become absolutely unbearable. That awoken emotions, desire to have object to express this love. Then intellect came to life and all the blueprints for the universe appear. And then will have been activated, which